So barbecue's nice and hot now. It's about 230 degrees. We're going to put our flatbreads on. This is the pre-rolled flatbread. It's going to go straight onto the grill. Make sure it doesn't slip down. And then close the lid. And give that a couple of minutes. Stop. So this is the flatbread when it's ready to turn over. You can see really nice big bubbles that are created. That's going to give it a really nice flaky texture. We're going to flip it over, get another minute, and that'll be done. Right, so we're ready to check it now. That's all nice and done now. A couple of minutes either side, nice and bubbling light. That's it. Right, this is on 230 degrees now. It's slowly going up to 250. So I'm going to pre-oil the grill just to stop the chicken from sticking a little bit. Just brush it with a little bit of oil. It will smoke a bit. It's the oil. And then I've got my marinated chicken tikka kebabs, tandoori chicken, and they're going to go onto the grill. And then I'm just going to give them a little bit of seasoning now. There's some in the marinade, but it's always good to season throughout the cooking process, start to finish. I'm going to close that lid, get some nice char marks on it, and I'm going to go and wash my hands quickly before I start turning them over. I'm just going to check them now because obviously this is really hot. I'm just going to give these a turn. And I'm starting to get a little bit of charring on there. I'm going to get them nice and dark. So it's like the traditional tandoori chicken. And because this barbecue is made of ceramic as well, it gets really hot and it'll replicate the tandoori oven. So this is a little slaw I've knocked up to go with my chicken tandoori kebabs with the sourdough flatbreads. So in this slaw there is some sliced white cabbage, really thinly sliced, some grated carrot, bit of lime juice and zest, a tiny bit of oil, some salt, and a ton of fresh coriander. In my opinion, you cannot have enough fresh coriander. That's going to really cut through, the tanginess of this slaw is going to really cut through the spiciness and creaminess of the tandoori chicken. It's going to add a nice texture. I have also added a handful of mixed seeds, so there's some sunflower seeds, some sesame seeds in there, and some pumpkin seeds, just to add even more crunch and texture. Just turn these over now. Just want to get plenty of colour on these, so it's nice and traditional. It gives it loads of flavour as well, the more colour you get on the chicken. And because this is a ceramic barbecue, it's nice thick ceramic around the edges. It'll hold its heat really well and it'll replicate a tandoori oven. Right, so these have been on about 5-7 minutes now, and you can see we're getting that nice charring effect going on. Yep, and this is the finished plate. All ready to go, ready to wrap up.
Can we go?